Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and what I'm going to demonstrate now is one of the assessment tasks that we'll be getting you to do when you do the car instructor course, and that is a commentary drive through a commercial or tourist area, if it's part of the area that we're training and assessing you in. So you'll notice when I go through here, I'm going to be pointing out road signs, any signals, any road markings of any relevance. I'll be paying special attention to any hazards that present. And a hazard is defined in a road sense as anything with the potential to cause danger. Now, there's lots of parked cars, pedestrians. It's a 40 zone that I'll be driving through as well all day. So, the fact that it's a 40 zone tells us that it's low speed. There aren't any shared zones, but there are some pedestrian zones in there. So first of all, what I'll do is I'm just going to select drive. I'm just checking my mirrors, checking my blind spots. I've got a car coming around the corner on my right here. So I'm just going to be patient for a minute and make sure that it's all clear, because I am leaving the side of the road to do this commentary drive. So I've got a little bit of traffic flowing around me. Again, patience is the order in this situation here. There's no point in getting flustered or rushing or anything like that. Again, one last little shoulder check, it's all clear. And now I'm moving out into the lane. It's a two-way road. As I look up the road, I can see lots of parked cars. I can see shopping centres, bus stops. The bus stop's clear at the moment. I can see it's painted on the road that it's a 40 zone. Someone's doing a U-turn in the middle of the road here, but they're now waiting for me. We've just got a pedestrian crossing area, but not an actual pedestrian crossing as such. There's one coming up here. Again, we've got a 40 sign. We've got traffic entering from the side streets. I'm actually sitting below 30 at the moment because it's a wet day, and it's quite busy because it's the sort of early morning traffic flow. Just monitoring the traffic, making sure it's all clear. Checking this pedestrian crossing for making sure it's all clear. Yes, it is. We've got a gentleman on the side of the road here at his vehicle. We've got more pedestrians on the side of the road. My eyes are still working, making sure I'm checking my mirrors, checking my gauges. Again, I'm 31 kilometers an hour now. I've got a warning sign telling me there's a pedestrian crossing coming up. My eyes are starting to work from left to right already. It's clear. Yep, no dramas there. So we've cleared the built-up area with the commercial section of this area as a demonstration of a commentary drive in an automatic vehicle. I'm just stopping here on the side of the road to complete the maneuver.